A hearty welcome to one and all. I am Rohini Batwal from Gokhale Education Society's JD Sibitku English Medium High School with 8th Standard Science subject. Students, in the previous videos we have seen respiratory system and blood circulatory system. Now in this video we are going to see human blood groups, blood donation, blood banks, blood donor, blood recipients. What is the high blood pressure? Blood pressure. So let us move towards the first. Students, depending upon the proteins like antigens and antibodies, different blood groups are formed. There are 4 main groups of human blood as A, B, AB and O. Besides, there are 2 types of Rh negative and Rh positive of each of those 4 groups. Thus, in all 8 blood groups are formed. That is example, A positive, A negative, B positive, B negative, AB positive, AB negative and O positive and O negative. So let us see what is blood donation. Students, if a person meets an accident, bleeding occurs through wounds, many times blood transfusion is necessary during the surgical operations. Similarly, blood is transfused in cases of patients of anemia, thalassemia, cancer. Blood transfusion is carried out to compensate the blood storage in a body. This is called as blood transfusion. So students, where we will get the blood? From where the blood is supplied for blood transfusion? They are blood banks. Blood is collected in blood banks by specific methods from the healthy person and supplied to the needful persons. If the collected blood is not to be used immediately, it can be stored for some days in refrigerator. Let us see what is blood donor. Person who donates the blood is referred as a blood donor and person who receives the blood is referred as recipient. So person of the blood group O can donate the blood to the person having any other blood group, whereas a person with AB blood group can receive the blood from the person with any other blood group. Hence, person of blood group O is called as a universal donor and the person with blood group AB is called as universal recipient. Let us move towards what is blood pressure. Students, blood is continuously kept flowing through blood vessels due to contraction and relaxation of the heart. Due to contraction of the heart, pressure is exerted on the wall of arteries and it is called as blood pressure. Proper blood pressure is necessary to supply the blood in all parts of the body. Pressure recorded during the contraction of heart is called as systolic pressure and that one recorded during relaxation is called as diastolic pressure. Blood pressure of a healthy person is about 120 by 80 to 139 by 89, that is millimeter of Hg. It is measured with the help of sphygmomanometer. Let us move towards the hypertension, that is high blood pressure. High blood pressure than the normal is referred as a hypertension. Hyper means high. In arteries of the person with hypertension, necessary tension develops. Heart needs to perform more functions than the normal condition in case of hypertension. Both systolic and diastolic pressures are high in hypertension. Always remember students, blood production occurs continuously in our body. About 350 milliliter of blood is collected through a person during donation and our body restores the fluid part of it within the 24 hours. There is no trouble during and after the blood donation. So 1st of October is observed as a National Voluntary Blood Donation Day. Healthy person of age more than 18 years can donate the blood for 3 to 4 times in a year. Let us see the type, that is normal blood pressure. Its systolic pressure is 90 to 120. Diastolic pressure is 60 to 79 millimeter. Primary hypertension means systolic pressure is 120 to 139 millimeter and diastolic pressure is 80 to 89. Hypertension stage 1, the systolic pressure is 140 to 159 millimeter, whereas in diastolic pressure it is 90 to 99 millimeter. And in the hypertension stage 2, it is more than 160 millimeter, whereas the diastolic pressure is more than 100 millimeter. Students, A, B, O blood groups were discovered by Karl Landsteiner in 1900. He won the Nobel Prize for 1930 for this discovery. Blood group AB was discovered by De Castello and Sterling in 1902. Do you know, students, what is hematology? It's a branch of medical science that deals with the study of blood, hematopoietic organs and blood diseases is called as hematology. Research of diagnosis and remedies of blood diseases is also performed in the branch. So students, here we have finished this lesson. Hope you have understood the lesson.